Hello friends, we are courseworkhelponline.com. We do coursework writing service. Shareholders equity coursework writing service. Shareholders equity is equal to a firm's total assets minus its total liabilities and is one of the most common financial metrics employed by analysts to determine the financial health of a company. Shareholders equity represents the net value of company, or the amount that would be returned to shareholders if all the company's assets were liquidated and all its debts repaid. Shareholders equity. Shareholders equity is equal to a firm's total assets minus its total liabilities and is one of the most common financial metrics employed by analysts to determine the financial health of a company. Shareholders equity represents the net value of company, or the amount that would be returned to shareholders if all the company's assets were liquidated and all its debts repaid. Breaking down shareholders equity. Shareholders equity is also known as net worth or stockholders equity. Shareholders equity can be either negative or positive. If the figure is positive, it means the company has more than enough asset value to cover its liabilities. If the figure is negative, the company has debts that outweigh its assets. In general, a company with negative shareholders' equity is not considered a safe investment choice, because either its asset total is too low or its liability total is too high. In either case, the company has more debt than its current assets can possibly satisfy, putting it at risk of loan default and bankruptcy. Computing shareholders' equity. All the information needed to compute a company's shareholders' equity is available on its balance sheet. The shareholders' equity equation requires that you find a company's total assets and total liabilities. This means including both short-term assets and long-term assets. The short-term assets include things such as retained earnings, share capital and other cash assets held in banking and savings accounts, stocks, bonds and money market accounts. Long-term assets include things such as equipment, property, illiquid investments and vehicles. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, like and share our videos.